Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
So far, our elements have been solid and opaque, but in the real world and in good design, we often need things to be semi-transparent. Today, we're looking at how to let the layers underneath show through. Transparency is about the alpha channel. It's a fourth value that controls how much light passes through an element. Glitch, let's set up a background image on the body first.
Write a textured background, something to hide behind. I'll drop in some containers. In the styles, I'll give the body a pattern and the card a solid background. The card is a solid white block. It's blunt, it completely obscures the pattern underneath. It's a total blackout.
Let's make it semi-transparent using rgba. Change the background color to white at 50% opacity.
Using the alpha channel for white, 0.5 for 50%. Semi-transparent. I can see the underlying structure now. It's like having X-ray vision, tactical and stylish.
Now, some people try to do this with the opacity property instead. Let's see why that's usually a mistake for cards like this.
I'll swap the rgba for the opacity property. Wait, the text became transparent too. It's fading out of existence. The whole element is ghost-like. It's much harder to read.
That's the key difference. Opacity affects the entire element and all its children. rgba only affects a property you applied it to.
So opacity is a sledgehammer and rgba is a scalpel. I prefer the scalpel, reverting to the previous state. %, opaque, just enough to show the pattern without sacrificing the integrity of the content. It's sophisticated.
And don't forget the transparent keyword. It's fully transparent, zero opacity, useful for hiding things until you need them.
Hiding things until they're ready to be revealed. Now that is a concept I can fully endorse.
Try layering multiple semi-transparent boxes. See how the colors blend together. Experiment with hsla for even more control over the saturation and lightness while you fade. Don't just watch it, do it.